The word we'll be learning in this video is gendo, which you will often hear when talking about limits on quantities, rules, or personal ability. Imagine how much more natural your Japanese will sound when you can say things like, I reached the speed limit. There's a limit to how much I can help. Please stay within the weight limit in Japanese. Let's get started. Gendo. Gendo. The word gendo means a limit or the degree of something. It often refers to a maximum amount or a boundary you should not pass. You can use it for numeric limits like speed or weight, for rules and allowances, and when saying there is a limit to what someone can do. In short, gendo describes how far or how much something can go. The first kanji means limit. Its common reading is gen, and the kunyomi are kagiru and kagiri. You can see it in kagiru, which means to limit, and in genkai, which means limit or boundary. In kagiru, the kanji expresses the act of setting a limit, and in genkai, it marks the boundary of something. The second kanji means degree, times. Its common reading is do, and the kunyomi is tabi. You see it in ichido, which means once, and in ondo, which means temperature. In ichido, it counts occurrences, and in ondo, it indicates a measured degree, like temperature. Exceed the limit. Gendo o koeru. Gendo o koeru. Set, establish, a limit. Gendo o sekkeru. Gendo o sekkeru. Limit, amount, credit, limit. Gendogaku. Gendogaku. Keep within the limit. Gendo nai ni osameru. Gendo nai ni osameru. Be full. Reach the limit. Gendo, ippai da. Gendo, ippai da. The most common synonyms of the gendo are genkai and seigen. Genkai emphasizes a boundary or breaking point, often about abilities or natural limits, and feels more absolute or personal than gendo, which often refers to an allowed amount or set maximum. Seigen focuses on imposed or regulatory limits and highlights restriction or control, while gendo is more neutral and can indicate a quantitative cap. The most common antonyms of the gendo are museigen and mugen. Museigen means no imposed restriction or unlimited in practical regulatory contexts and is the direct opposite of limits like seigen or gendo. Mugen means infinite or boundless, more abstract, mathematical or philosophical, and less about practical caps.